In this video I am going to implement logistic regression step by step. I hope you can understand it very well. It's very simple and easy. First I will import pandas as a PD, then I will read the data from Excel file. You can download this file from Kaggle. I will provide link in description, and I will provide all this code in description. You can copy and paste in notebook or any other software. So I have then I define the variable column names is the arrays pregnant, glucose, blood pressure, skin, insulin, BMI, and on the basis of this data I will predict that the patient have a diabetes or have a not diabetes. So let's see the data. Data has been uploaded. Use head pima. All data has been loaded in pima variable. Let's check. So these are the data. They 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 columns. On the basis of this data, it is describing this patient is a diabetic patient, and this patient is a not diabetic patient, and this patient is a diabetic patient. 1 being diabetic patient, 0 is a not diabetic patient. It calculates the basis of these are parameters. So check this one. So what I will do now, I will create another variable called x. Therefore I will delete outcome variables. So I have deleted here drop outcome x is one column which has outcome caption will be deleted by this line. Executed. The column has been that columns I will save another variable y. Mean this column I will save in the y variable. Okay, so I have saved it. Yeah, you can check. So new data. First we should check x dot head. You see all variable have been seen. If expect outcomes, there is no outcomes column here in this data. So where it has gone to the y variable. So you can check y variable, what is inside y variable. So y, check it, execute it. So these are the values. It has come from the outcome column. Okay, so then I have created I am splitting data, x train, x test. So these are the variable train, test, split. So 75% would be used for the training purpose, and 0.25% will be used for the testing purpose only. So I have small variable seen saved in these variables. Now I have created the logistic regression object. So I have passed these parameters, and then LRModel.predict. I have here I will first I need to execute this line. It has been executed. Now I have to execute this line. So model has been created successfully. Now we will test my model has been trained from the fit function, and then now I am going to test my model on 25% data I will use here. Let's see what my model is predicting now. So it has been tested. We will check it. Test has been done. We have to check. So the here prediction dot score variable, score command will be used for the accuracy of the model. This means that my model is 82% is giving the correct answer. So accuracy is 0.82%. Now I have taken, again I want to check, confirm this, while my model is predicting good or not. I take this parameter from this line. This line is, I have to, the outcome is 1. So I want to check this. I want to change this predicting right or wrong. So here, these are the value I taken from this. So it has, my model has predicted true. It's 1. It is working fine. So you can check. I have taken this value, this value, and it is a 1. So after passing the required data to my model, one data sample, my model has predicted 1 value. So here is total report confusion matrix. We want to check it. Yeah, see that. So there's some error. So leave it. This is not necessary. So leave this portion. So I hope you like it. I have implemented very simple way. I will provide this code in description. You can copy and paste along with, and you can download datablock Kaggle website. If you have any query, please ask me. If you have any difficulty, ask me. If you want to need data, you cannot. If you cannot download data, please comment. I will tell you how you can download the data from this. Thank you very much.